Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. First of all, is the music playing? It is playing, but why I can't? So my microphones are not, sorry, my headphones are not working. Also, today is Saturday. I don't know how many people will join, but uh, I have to do a couple of things. Not okay, so I have to fix this issue which I am facing here for a while. So yeah, let's work on this. And I also want to see one thing. Yes, here in the dashboard. Let's close this as well. It's going live, right? Why is Restream still showing this starting screen? Can we start this? Yeah, so today I'm not working on that web app. I am actually fixing one issue on this file, this project which I worked on 1 year back, but I found out that someone paid for it yesterday night and they faced a bug and they emailed me that they cannot get what they want. Okay, is it good to show my... Yeah, there is an email, so I would not love to show that email. Hey Vishnu, welcome. How's your weekend going? My Saturday was awesome today from the morning. Awesome in terms of like I was just fixing this bug mostly, and I went into the rabbit hole of DeepSeek, how it's better. So I'm just currently fixing this issue. Also, is it... I don't think it's good to show the logs. Yeah. Hey, hi Harshit. What's happening? How's your Saturday? And I might do it today for only 1 hour. Once my bug is fixed, I'm out of here. So yeah, you guys can hang out. I cannot listen to anything. What's happening? My headphones are not working. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Where is my playlist? Spotify can't play this. If you have file on a computer, you can import. What's happening? Not input. So input is this and output is this. Yes, it should work. Alert sound play. Vishnu, mine was okay. Just passing time at home. 2 days will go in no time for me. I just can't remember how fast 2024 was over for me. Nice. If 2024 was quick for you, that means you did a lot of things. So this thing is working. I don't know why is something is messed up with my headphones. So this session will be without music for me. I hope you guys can listen to music. Also, good thing my internet is fixed today after 2 days of pretty bad struggle. Cool. So yeah, let's look into this. What's happening? Where were we? Function cannot be analyzed because we are receiving this error. This I can do here, I guess. Or is there any sensitive information? Is there any sensitive key here? No, there is none. Also, whoever is watching are like good people, right? You won't be messing around. If you find out a key, you'll give me back, right? Oh shit, this request I should not. Okay. In here, I'm getting this issue first of all. I'm right now 20 years old. Time just passed so fast for me. I see my face, it just looks the same when I was in 10th. Not a single. It's fine, Vishnu. Do you want beer? But yeah, time passes quickly, guys. Like once you become older, you see like the years start to pass by. Because there's so many things happening that life is not boring. So when you are bored, time becomes slow. And when you are doing a lot of things, time becomes fast. That's the thing about time. That's why kids enjoy, because kids get bored very easily. And they are bored most of the time. That's why they are so energetic. हर्षित, आजकल तो लोग 5 hours फ़ोन के स्क्रीन में भी अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. Yes, that's true. How much was my time? Oh, my phone is here. It must be like more than 5 hours. My daily average is like mobile screen time is 5 hours. I'm trying to reduce it, make it like less than 4. Hey, if I'm building a SaaS startup, like 1-person startup, should I have a license or something for it? No, Vishnu, you can start. Like until you are making a lot of money from it, where you feel scared, then only you have to go for all licensing and legal things. Again, this is not a legal advice. I'm not a legal advisor. So all the advices are subjected to market risk. This is the disclaimer I want to put out there. But yeah, technically, no. If it's between me and you, mine is like 10 hours, bro. That's too much. Or maybe you study from it if you are doing something productive. And for example, like if you're watching good things on your mobile and learning, then it's fine. But if you are like me, wasting time on brain rot content on Instagram, yeah, you need to look back in when the screen becomes dark. You have to look, it becomes like a mirror. You have to see on that face and tell to him, bro, let's not do this. Did I deploy just now? Let's see. My phone time 2 hour and Premiere Pro 6 hours. That's good, Harshit. That's very good. That's the way to go. Anyone else like this? Ginger ale? Schweppes. Okay, so there are two options. Top chat. Yeah, we only want top chat. Fixing a bug on my very old project. Someone paid for it today and reported an issue. So my Saturday is I should pin it so people won't ask. I watch like David Andre's AI software development videos, also Astro K Joseph sometimes. Okay, cool. So you mostly like learn from YouTube, so that's good. Okay, so it worked. Now we have to see how it worked. I have to make a new request, but before that I have to make it pending. Yes, it was pending, right? Correct. So let's trigger this request. Just restart it. Cool. And I can stream it now. Or better would be if I put it here and I put the code here. Okay, index is fine. Okay, this is better. So one thing which I have done is increase this limit to 540. That's fine. Now I have to just wait for it to finish. Mm, okay, what I can do is let's remove it. Commander one. In this code, I am downloading images sequentially. I want to run them parallel, but with the same downloader as we are using right now. Just update that, nothing else. Make sure that image downloading and failure are handled properly. Also, in case image download fails, we should try 3 times only per image, and later we throw an error. Cool. Vishnu, what's the clock thing on the top left, bro? Top left, you mean this? This is sessions Pomodoro. I think this is one of the most famous thing in this stream. Like, I have answered this I think 10-12 times by now. But yeah, it's a Mac and iOS app. I really love it. And as you can see here, it also shows you how much you have worked. So today, so far, I have worked 4 hours coding, and now we are also doing this for 1 hour. So total will be 5 hours. Today is like very hectic day. Shivam, hey Divyanshu, what's up? Hey, hi Shivam, welcome back. Thank you for joining on the weekend. And how is your Saturday? What you guys are doing? So Vishnu is chilling and passing time from 2 days. Okay, we have something here. Now let's see. Zip upload function. Okay, I want to run one poll. Start a poll. Which is your current favorite AI tool, or LLM we can say? ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, or Mistral. Who uses Mistral? So maybe GPT. Okay, ChatGPT, DeepSeek. Yeah, that's it. On 3. Start poll. Shivam, been working on one data engineering assignment. Awesome. I hope you are making good progress on that. Vishnu, do you get any freelance projects now? Do you get, like, I can get if I want. I have, like, I know a couple of people who I can contact if I ever need one. But for now, I am not like looking for a freelance project. So yeah. Okay, what I'm doing actually, I'm just waiting on my logs. I'm looking at my logs. There is one service which is logging some things, and I'm just looking at it. It's very slow, and that's the thing. That's why my cloud function is timing out because cloud functions can run for only 5 minutes at a time. I don't know why these ones, AWS Lambdas, can run for 15 minutes, but for some reason these Firebase based cloud functions only run for 5 minutes. So and the thing which we are doing is not completed in 5 minutes, and that's why the user is facing that issue, which I'm trying to fix. So this is why I'm like trying to do this parallelly instead of doing sequentially. The thing on the image. Vishnu, do you have any suggestions like how can I get freelance projects other than Fiverr and Upwork? So Vishnu, I would suggest like start making your portfolio, like make something which people can come and see even when you are sleeping. So there are two ways. One is you go to Fiverr and Upwork, people like put their projects out and you apply on them, and that's how those guys like find out about you when you apply them. So it's a very like what you can say, it's a very direct process where you have to involve so much, then only you get visibility. Another way to get visibility is make something and talk about it online. Hey, I'm an engineer, I'm building this, I built this tool and that tool. So you get this reputation of you can create things in the community. And where is the community? Community is in like Twitter, Product Hunt. Like if you Google it, like where is the software engineering community, you will find a lot of websites. Just pick one or two. Don't like try to spam every place. Just pick one or two, the good ones, and start posting, engaging with people, writing good comments. And you have to do this for a while, like 2 to 3 months. Then people will know about you and they will reach you sometimes. Or you can like in Twitter, I have noticed there are so many people who post, hey, we are looking for this for our project. You can just directly DM them if you have that reputation. If you don't have any reputation, if you directly DM them, it will be hard for you compared to the other person who has a reputation. So I would suggest, because you're very young, start building this reputation from now on. You have like 5-6 years of this thing, where in 5-6 years you will not even have to. So first of all, I don't know what's the future of software engineering will be in 5-6 years, but yeah, if it is like what it is now, then yeah, in 5-6 years you will be so OG, like if you talk about your projects. So yeah, that's what my advice would be. If you want to get freelance projects, just start building things and start talking about them in these communities. Shivam, do you also write tests for your products? So I was reading something today. What was that? Wait. That was very funny. I want to tell that thing. Let me just find that exact code.
So the
Wait, shit. Okay, here it is. What? I have, just give me a sec. I'm finding it out. Someone wrote very nice thing and I laughed for 5 minutes on that. And now so there is one is like TDD. So TDD is like test driven development, and I do VDD, that is vibe driven development. It's just a joke, man, just a joke. But yeah, I write test when I write some, like I don't do TDD, test driven development. I tried that one in like earlier in one of my Android apps because I wanted to do everything right on that, and I never published that app. So it took me so much time. So I think if you are working with a team, it makes 100% sense to go with testing. There is no question asked if we should add test or not. If 2 or more people are working in the product, there should be test from the starting. because anytime anything can break. But if you want to build fast, like for me, like if I want to build fast, I generally ignore test until I write something, some module which is having a lot of bugs. Then I go like, oh shit, today I have to sit and just write a test case because this is working okay and I don't want to mess it up later. So then I sit and I write some mocks for that. This is my way of doing. I don't advise doing this to anyone else. So yeah, I am like if you put me in a team as a lead, I would 100% ask that team to write tests, like just spend time on writing tests, because people can mess up anytime, anywhere. Even if you have a very strong review process, things can squeeze in from anywhere. So you don't want to have a case where things are broken on production and there are paying users. Yeah. Rishabh, hey Rishabh, welcome to the stream, man. Vivek, hi bro, I thought you will not to stream today. Hi Vivek. Yeah, so again, as I wrote here, so I got an email today morning. Just I woke up and I got a mail. Someone paid for a product which I built last year, and the product is like dormant, in a dormant state. Like I use it, couple of like users who have paid for a yearly plan, they use it, but suddenly this guy paid for a monthly usage, and he was like, he reported a bug. Hey, I can't do this, can you fix it? And the code is so old, I have forgotten like what are the logics and all, what are the modules. So since morning I'm just trying to fix it, and I found the issue. Now it's running the process, and I'm watching the logs that it runs smoothly. If it runs this time, then I will push it and I'll email him back that yeah, it's running. So then I can just go and enjoy my Saturday. So yeah, that's my Saturday in a nutshell. Israr, hello sir. Hello Israr. How are you? How was your Saturday? Vishnu, today I heard about Test Sprite. I heard it's good for web app testing. For SaaS, it looks for any problem for vulnerability in backend, API and frontend. Nice. Test Sprite. I've worked with a lot of such testing tools, and easiest reagent for software testing. This is very nice. So it does what a manual QA would do. I told my team when I left the company, manual QA jobs will be gone first. And I think here, this Test Sprite is here to take the jobs. Anyone of you here South Park fan? If not, I can show you guys this.
What the hell do you care? Get off the wrestling mat.
You guys have seen this?
I care. These kids made it so real wrestling is gone from schools. It's practically gone from the culture. Damn it, they took my...
They took his job. Arbitrary Constant. Hello Arbitrary Constants. Welcome. I'm seeing you for the first time, or maybe you are here, but you didn't engaged in these conversations. But yeah, welcome. Wake. Oh, so weekend bug hunting. Nice. Yes, weekend bug hunting. Yeah, I think this still didn't work. It still didn't work. Arbitrary constants. Is there any your open source project where I can learn your way of writing syntax? My way of writing syntax, what do you mean by that? But yeah, there is one open source project which I'm going to start soon. I was planning to like set it up today, like as a Saturday project. Tomorrow I'm off. Like tomorrow I'll be completely off from tech. On Monday, then again I have to be back. Yeah, I don't know. Like I'll spend some time with that open source project, but I'll do this. You can join the Discord group though. We will talk about it more on that. There's a channel called OSS where I have given a synopsis of what the product is about, which we are going to open source. Hope that interests you, and I'm happy as many people we can include in that. Rishabh, आप bug hunting कर रहे हो? Yes, Rishabh, I am doing bug hunting right now. ऋषभ, यहाँ मेरे इंटर्नशिप का गिटहब रेपो सॉर्ट आउट नहीं हो रहा. गिटहब रेपो, यू मीन लाइक where you are doing the internship, it's becoming problematic to give you access, or you are having issues with setting it up locally on your machine? Because I have been there in both the places. Okay, so what O1 has done? O1 has done nothing. It has just given us the code. O1 is like, fuck it, man. I don't care. But still, I want to review this thing. What it has done. Image number. Okay, so image number is here. Download file is doing. But how is this download file is running? Okay, there is a promise, which is training map. Okay, in a map it's running this, and that is why it's being okay here. Promise.all the things are here, and then local file path. And otherwise less than 2. Okay, so it's doing the recursion thing. Cool. Let's see. Vivek, same thing happened with me also, bro. In our project, dev version was down, and Monday we need to have a release, so I was in call from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. today. Bad weekend. Vivek, I can understand that. Happened to me many times. And yeah, it generally happens before the release, right? It's a very exciting time when we have a release and then there is a bug. Everyone has these mini heart attacks all over the places. Rishabh, access hai. Okay. Hi Divyanshu. Hi Amit. Welcome back. Vishnu, have you heard Gopan Swami unboxing thing? Gopan Swami. What is Gopan Swami? Gopan Swami unboxing. What is this? No, I haven't. What is this? Gopan Swami unbox? I don't know. I don't want to make any comment. I don't know. Okay, so my logger is stuck now. It's taking so much RAM. Rishabh, but now I had to clone it again to start working on a new task, but seniors are not that much helpful at the right time. Yeah, Rishabh, like I can sympathize with those seniors as well, and I can sympathize with you as well, because I have been in both the places. Generally, when you join a team, it's not that seniors do not want to help. It's that they also have other things which occupy them. So they might have a availability issue. Maybe that's the case in your like on your side. Give them some time and wait patiently. Arbitrary constant. Hello sir, is there any opening in your company? Arbitrary, I don't have any company. And yeah, if I will start like looking for engineers to work with, I'll definitely post or make a video about it. Rishabh, I just made a new branch and now working on that. Lol, bahar mein jaye purana branch. We all have done that, Rishabh. We have all. Yes, make a new branch. Start from fresh, scratch. Take a deep breath. You will do. You can do it. Okay, so we have this. Now let's deploy. Vishnu, he's like a Swami guy. He died in the backyard and his son built a tank around him and done a ritual. 2 days ago, police came and opened it and took it for autopsy. It's just a really funny story. Okay. Cool. Maybe I'll look into it. Which is your current favorite LLM? So most of the people have reported a mix of ChatGPT and Claude. There is someone who is calling DeepSeek, who is liking DeepSeek. Guys, I would love to talk to you, because today, while this code was doing this, which it is doing now, like uploading, and I was watching these logs, I went into this rabbit hole of DeepSeek. And you know what? I might start going back to VS Code. So yeah, so this is my VS Code, and here is Klein. If you don't know about Klein, it's an extension on VS Code, works kind of similar with as like these cursor and windsurf are working. And I got a DeepSeek API key, so I can, with Klein, I can just tell it to do things similarly. And DeepSeek is really powerful. Like, its deep think feature, I love it. It was giving some crazy answers which even Claude 3.5 wasn't able to. O1 and DeepSeek, I think, are comparable at some point, but the O1 has a very harsh limit. Today I reached that limit, and I have like 15 messages remaining for O1, and if I exceed that, my renew will happen on 20th of Jan, which is like 2 days. I have to wait for O1. That's so bad. Like, I don't want to wait so long. I have work to do. I have kids to feed. Okay, Vishnu. Okay, Vishnu has told. Do you know about Coolify? Yes. Amit, I am using Coolify actually. So what I have done is I have bought a Hetzner, like a VPS, and I have hosted Coolify on it. I was running one service, but later on I got busy with other things. I didn't get time, but yeah, I'm using Coolify right now. I really like the dashboard. It's connect your GitHub and it automatically links and hooks up to these webhooks. So whenever you push, it just redo everything. Very cheap, like at £7 I'm paying for it, which is like 700 rupees a month. It's a very powerful machine which I have, and with this Vercel kind of a dashboard. So yeah, I was planning that this year in 2025 I might move all of my things into that. Let's see, like if I have some time left after like some of my apps start to go into this auto mode, I might spend time on that. But yeah, it's a very interesting project. Vishnu, I heard about Aider for coding or something. I don't know about Aider too. Aider coding. Aider chat is a pair programming in your terminal. Interesting. Vishnu, you do a lot of, like, I know now what that 10 hours doing. 10 hours of mobile time. You have so much internet knowledge. Hey, did you pay for DeepSeek API? I'm building my project. Yes, Vishnu, I paid for it. I am like, I have $10 or something like that. Let's see. DeepSeek account platform here. Yeah, I have $10 on it. I just paid today morning. It's very easy with PayPal. If anyone has PayPal account, don't pay with the credit card. It's a Chinese company, so yeah, already very shady. Also, don't put like much information on their portal. It's all going to China. Amit, I'm making something like it, but for Kubernetes. Wow, Amit, awesome. I would love to like test it out or know a bit more about it. You can post on the showcase channel like what you're building. We all can like have initial feedbacks or things which you, if you wanted. It's like 28 cents for, yes, DeepSeek is so cheap. Like, I have been using it since morning and I have paid like 0.1 cent. Like 1 cent, sorry. Is it deployed? Yes. Now let's try again. Where is that? Training pending. And when training is pending, I just need to redo that request, which I will do here. Okay, done. Progress. Now I have to just look at logs. Please work this time. please. Hmm? Vishnu, hey, can you do a coding setup video tomorrow? I'm just interested in the devices used. Coding setup, you mean my desk setup? Because that's the video which I'm making next. Mm. File name. It's timeout is not 10:30. I can 50. So at least 50,000 I need. Yeah, desk setup, like interested in PC specs and stuff, also the monitors. Yeah, sure, Vishnu. I will give a complete tech breakdown of as much info I have. I hope that helps. So I think ChatGPT is winning the AI war in our chat, but with a very less margin, very fierce competition. But people do not know the power of DeepSeek now. Like within like next 2-3 months, if it performs as good and as fast as it is right now, this poll I see it changing very soon. The only thing is DeepSeek doesn't have a good mobile app, and people don't know about it yet. Okay, so we have deployed a new version. Let's see if this works. Before that, I need to change the status of this. Not failed, it should be pending. Okay, and let's call it from here. Okay, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 and 3 is still missing. I think 50 seconds is more than enough to download the image on the server. Let's see. Okay, again, econ reset. Shit. DeepSeek, I need your wisdom here. So getting this issue with, sorry, with the Hey, hi Nived. How's it going? How was your Saturday? In so much work today. Hey, hi Vin. How's your day? I saw you posted about some. Just I was checking the chat. I haven't gone through that about this Chrome extension. One thing. How did you get time to build it? Did you have a paper on like 6 days? Your JE exam? You're crazy, man. Anyway, every day is kind of same for me, but all good. What about you? Yeah, same. As you can see, I'm sitting here every day, 2 hours. So yeah, it's same for me too. Saturdays are like Mondays for me. Sunday I take a break. But yeah, today I was hoping to do some other things. I have a plan to go to a physiotherapist, but yeah, well, stuck with this bug fixing since morning. Okay, yeah, Axios. But Axios is like, and do we need P limit here? And it was a very quick process with the combination of ChatGPT Cloud. I made it in less than 2 hours. Awesome. Yeah, if it does not hinder in your preps, then you're good. To install plimit. So yeah, as I was saying, if I fix this bug, that's it. I will close the stream and I'll go, because I want to do some other things today, and this bug is in between that process. Okay, so timeout is 50,000. That's good. I need to do that. Beyond deploy. I was studying since then. Wow, nice. And after the stream, we'll have a 4-hour study session. Crazy. You're crazy productive guy. Anyway, nice working. Yeah, very nice. Like Hind was created one like a proper extension chat, like this Chrome extension, and he is right now studying for JEE exam. I'm so like, I feel so inspired with these kind of things, man. People doing so many things, but why my AI is not doing it? Like, it has removed this process image completely. I needed this processing, bro. I published this. Let's see. The output is now. Why you ignored the step to process image? What the fuck? I don't, like, processing is needed. I can't skip that. What? It's saying it has included, but it's not. Obviously, it's not. This, I think I have posted about this DeepSeek a lot. Maybe it is not that smart after all. Like, clearly this image is okay. Think again. I can clearly see that process image is not used in the code anywhere. Use your artificial brain, all the electric energy you need, but fix this now. Yeah, now he's saying, oh, I see the issue. अथर्व, हाय भाई, लेट हो गया आज. हाय अथर्व, दैट्स कूल. I'm happy someone is enjoying their weekend. There is something about these chill songs. My stress disappears instantly. Nice, and yeah, these are like vibey songs for me too. Which song are we listening to? So there is one issue. Like only you can listen to what like I'm playing. I cannot. There's nothing on my AirPods because some issue is there. I think due to one library I was tinkering with in the morning, and I think it just. My OBS just crashed. First my audio went out and then OBO crashed. I'm pretty sure I need to restart my this Mac Studio. It's not restarted from last few like last I think few weeks. So there is definitely something wrong, and I have been playing with so much of these library kind of things, native libraries, that something is messed up. It needs a good restart. Your voice is not coming. Sorry guys, sorry. I don't know. OBS crashed suddenly for me. In perfect now. Cool. And thank you for letting me know. But yeah, this issue is still here. Socket is hanging up. Fuck this shit. So we have still that same issue. It was, so downloading images started correct, and it just stopped where. Okay, I'll give this whole info to this. I got this error with the following code changes. What happened? Okay, so my audio is again gone. Something is messed up. We'll look after this. This will be like the bug hunt number 2. It's saying now. We added a p limit to restrict the number of downloads happening once, set to 5 here. Each download is still retried up to 3 times if it fails for any reason. If downloads routinely fail from econ or timeout, try reducing the concurrency to 3 or 2. Download 60, depending on the network condition and file size you may need. Are you kidding me? A server is like having this limit. I already have p limit added. Okay, let's apply this. But now why we reverted to this? Vishnu, how much of the software is finished? Vishnu, I'm working on debugging this bug, and I think we are close. It's just that I have to fix this parallel downloading issue. There is some concurrent limit which is happening because there are like just 8 files which are being downloaded at once, and it's saying connection refused. Yeah, so this is the only thing. Once this is fixed, I can, and I see it running smoothly, I can just say it's fixed and I can push a update on production. Why did you use Node.js file downloader when you were using Axios earlier? First itself, he suggested I should use a downloader. It's Shivanshu, hi, hello Shivanshu, welcome back after your Delhi heist. How's your Saturday? What are you doing? And how's your landing page coming up? Are you ready for one live session to make your landing page with the AI? P limit, let's take it to 2, 3. I just wanted to make some progress. Let's see. And deploy. Let's see. Old people often advise young kids to live their childhood to the fullest cause these days won't come back. However, young people like me often wish for time to pass quickly. Yeah, that's the irony of life, and that's the irony. Delhi was fun updating my camera. Updating your camera? What? You bought some new gadgets for your camera? And because studying the same thing over and over feels so boring, I want this time to pass as soon as possible. Yeah, that's true. The hustle is struggling. I can understand. But to be honest, it never gets easy. It's just you learn to bear that routine with time. Harshit, are you in Delhi? No, Harshit, he's back. I had a call with him today. Shivanshu, know the software update. Oh, there is a new update. Will there be an update to my this Sony A7 III as well? Tell me the version it is on right now. I can message you after this. Have you seen Marco movie, bro? I suggest you watch it. Marco. I've seen Narcos. Marco movie. Marco. Yeah, Vishnu, I generally don't watch movies. I don't know. I haven't watched any good movie for a very, very long time. I rewatch movies now. I'm at that stage. I rewatch old movies because I have forgotten about them. Yeah, tell me what, like any one of you, what's your favorite movie? Mine is I have a lot of favorite movies, but one of the movie which I always recommend to people is Mr. Nobody. It's one of the most trippy movies I have seen, and I really, really enjoyed it. Nitish, tell us what's the bug. Yeah, Nitish, I shared earlier. So what happened is, this is a very old project which I built called, let me show you. So this is my project which I built last year. So if anyone of you wants to use it, can, it still works. So basically what you do is you send a message on WhatsApp that you want your picture in certain way. Then the bot will ask you for 8 of your profile pictures. Any selfie will work, and it will give you some suggestions like what kind of selfies you can put. And then after 8 to 10 minutes, once you pay, obviously, it will start the process. And then you can ask it like, okay, imagine me as okay, let me show you. It will be so interesting to show you guys. So yeah, you see, this is the bot. So if you say imagine me as Virat Kohli, right? I can say anything because for me the bot is already trained. This one was imagine me as Harry Potter, so it's just imagine me like this. So now I'm saying imagine me as Virat Kohli. It will take some time, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then it will revert me. Once it returns, I will show you guys. Yeah, let's wait for it. It's taking more than that time, maybe because of this upload which I'm doing directly on the server. Technically it's very fast, like it takes 1 minute. Yeah, not a good demo, but you can try it later on. Yeah, this, see, so your headshots are ready. This is me as Virat Kohli, guys. So this is the project which I worked on, and this is my brother who looks like a UFC fighter, and this is some random kid who looks like Harry Potter. This is me, gym buddy. This is my wife, like some angel. This is Shivanshu, who is in the chat. He's like this model. So yeah, this is the project which I worked on, and yesterday night someone paid for it, and he could not train his AI model. So he messaged me, your app is not working. And since it was Saturday, I thought, okay, let's fix it. And this app I worked on like 1 year back, so I've forgotten all the logic and everything. So I was just going through it, and I found out what could be the reason, and that's what I am trying to fix. So what's happening is, when these images which a user uploads, if they are big images, they all are downloaded and then they are converted into a format which I need to train them. That process is taking too much time, but they are hosted on a cloud function. So cloud function in Firebase, it times out in 5 minutes. So this whole process is not being done in 5 minutes. So what I'm doing is I'm reducing the time to do things in parallel so that it can be done in like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Yeah. I hope this was helpful. Let's tell us what's the bug. Mine is the social network. Oh yeah, and I watch. So I have 2 screens. Sometimes when I'm working on a mundane task, I open like the social network on one screen. It plays and I just work on, if I don't have to focus. Social network is like my munching movie. It's so well made. It's such an awesome soundtrack. I love that movie. Yeah. Amit, I have one suggestion. Exuma. Exuma, is it that Japanese movie? And guys, I don't like horror movies. Korean box office hit Exuma. Okay. Exuma. Okay. I like okay, it's a horror. I don't watch horror movies, guys. It's not that I'm scared. It's just that they give me like some bad dreams. I don't like it. That's the reason I avoid watching horror movies. My wife loves though. She's a like a horror movie nerd. And Vishnu, mine's Jack Snyder's Justice League. Oh yeah, Justice League is top movie. It's like 4 hours of superhero cinematic masterpiece. Yeah, I think there was this extended ending or something like that which came recently, re-release of Jack Snyder. I haven't watched that. Harshit, chat leak. Oh, was there anything to leak? Let me watch it again now. Uh, 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 uh. Oh, there must be like some random stupid groups. Nothing else. US Gym Buddy. Yeah, that was funny. Mine is Interstellar. Oh, Interstellar. Top notch. Like anything which Christopher Nolan makes is already on the top charts. Except for this Dunkirk. I didn't like Dunkirk at all. I went to IMAX theater to watch that movie. The soundtrack kind of forces you to make the next billion-dollar company. Yeah, it's true. Amit, it's not that horror, it's kind of thriller type. Okay, Amit, sure, I'll try it. Let me ask my wife if she has seen it. Otherwise, maybe we can watch today, the Saturday, after this bug hunt goes to a success. Okay, I can see something happening here. It's still in progress. We have not made much. Exuma. Okay. Okay, Amit. I think she has not seen it yet, so maybe we can watch it today. I haven't seen a good movie for a very long time. Interstellar is my first fave and Social Network second fave. Nice. And Vishnu. Yeah, first Justice League is just stupid trash. Re-release like top tier. Oh, is it that good? I might have to watch it again because I saw Justice League in like when it released in theaters. Aditya Mohanty, The Martian. Oh man, The Martian. So the good thing is I read the book first, The Martian. Who's the writer? He has written another one great book which I also read. Something like where we make a base in Mars. So yeah, Martian is like top-notch movie, man. What a movie. You just reminded me. I might have to rewatch it again. Thanks, Adit. If you want movie recommendations, we have a lot. Yeah. I want to watch a very good movie. And yeah. So you know my type, right? I like The Martian, Interstellar, Social Network, Mr. Nobody, all these kind of movies. Sci-fi, I could say, yeah. Anything space related, I would watch. Yeah, Shivanshu is an astronaut, guys. He went to watch some meteor shower 200 kilometers away into the mountains in Himalayas, and he took me with him as well to watch those meteor shower. It was a crazy night, yeah. Watch the Boys series, Vishnu. I tried watching Boys. To be honest, I couldn't enjoy it after like couple of series. Maybe it's not my type. Andy Weir, yes, Hint. Yes, he's the man. Dune movie is really good. Yeah, I like Dune. Both. Dune 2, I like Dune 2 more. Like in the end, the crazy fighting scene, very well made. And those like riding on those worms. Aditya Mohanty, thanks. You're welcome. Thanks to you, Aditya. Hind, whoa. Kushal, well, hello Kushal. Welcome to the stream. We are talking about movies, Kushal. What's your favorite movie? Mr. Robot series really good. I watched like first season. Yeah, Mr. Robot, I have seen the first season. You guys have seen the Silicon Valley, the comedy series? I'm pretty sure you guys must have. Yeah, it's one of my faves. Aditya, by the way, where are you working now? Working now means in which editor I'm working or which company I'm working for. Currently, I'm not working for any company. Otherwise, I'm working on a bug fix right now, which I thought is fixed, but it's not, I guess. It failed, but it did not give me any reason. This person must be very... failed for what, man? Amit, yes, I have watched both Mr. Robot and Silicon Valley. Nice. So guys, if you want to watch, like, my recommendation is one of the series which I recently recommended to Shivanshu and he also loved it. Dave, if you know about this rapper called Lil Dicky, and he has made one series, it's in Hotstar, it's called Dave. Kind of like a funny drama series. I think someone like, just watch it if you are into that kind of comedy and drama. My favorite is Money Heist. Yeah, I have heard about it a lot, Akash. To be honest, I haven't seen it. It's in my like list to watch sometime. Yeah, I'll watch it. Aditya, bug fixing is more difficult than making a project from scratch. Yeah, starting a project from scratch is the most fun thing you can do. The hard thing is to keep pushing on that same project for months and months, keep fixing the bugs, and then the fade of, like, it fades away, the adrenaline to start something new, the excitement of new fades away after a month, and then you have to just do things without, even if you don't want to. And I think that's the main reason to make something good with time. Like, that's how you create value, basically. Which character you like in Money Heist? Akash, I haven't seen Money Heist. Hind. Caution while watching Money Heist if you are under 18. Okay. To be honest, any Christopher Nolan movie is love to watch. Yeah, Kushal, I agree. Christopher Nolan, like, I have like crazy story about one of the movie which recently released. What was that? This atom bomb movie. What was its name? I forgot the name. Cillian Murphy was there, right? Oppenheimer, yes. So yeah, Oppenheimer. I went to like watch it in an IMAX with my brother, and we drove like almost 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours to watch it. So yeah, I'm a big fan of this guy, man, Christopher Nolan. I didn't enjoy Squid Game season 2. I love season 1. Vishnu, I think I haven't seen season 2. I saw season 1 because back then I didn't know what Squid Game is. I just saw it on my Netflix. I started it and I couldn't stop it. It was so good. And yeah, season 2 I haven't seen. But I personally feel Squid Game is like a popcorn series. Like, you enjoy it but you don't love it. Like, you cannot have it for dinner. You know, like popcorns you only can have while you don't focus it as a food, but as a like something you want to eat. You cannot have it on your dinner plate as a dinner. So that's what I feel about Squid Game. Hind, caution. Okay. Yeah, Oppenheimer. Yes, thanks, Hind. Aditya, I'm a front-end developer with Angular. Do I have any scope in big companies? You always have a scope in big companies, guys. It doesn't matter if you are like Angular, React. There are openings in any other company. And all, like, the thing is, I know a guy who is working on a project in a very big company, and he is working in .NET, and he's working on a .NET version which now even Microsoft stopped supporting. So he has to use the old version of VS Code to run that, because their whole system which he worked on is built on that. Now upgrading or migrating from that is a very big task which the company does not want to do. So he's there, and I think it's kind of a job security for him as well, that now he can be in that product until the lifetime of that product, because the company takes it like it's a big risk to migrate it. It will take a lot of time, and this guy has to work on .NET. So that's the thing. Like if any technology which was successful at some time, and for example like Angular, it's very wide, there will always be scope. It's just that the people who are currently working on will move to another thing, and they will need more developers. So maybe you can, like, if you really want to stick to Angular, otherwise keep learning different things and looking out for jobs. He's a really different guy. Who? Amit, do you think it's better to follow best practices from the start, or should I just build MVP first and then improve it later, since following all the standards will slow down MVP creation? Again, disclaimer, don't take my advice for working in a production or in companies with teams. If you're working with team, I would always suggest follow all the good practices, because you can be a very good developer. You don't know what the other person is, or you don't know what that other person is feeling today. Maybe he's feeling lazy today, so he's doing some lazy work. So if you're working with a team, always follow best practices. If you're working like alone on a single project, just do whatever feels right to you, and at some point it will become spaghetti. Then you will have to sit like I'm sitting today, and then you'll have to find and fix these bugs. Yeah, that's my advice. He doesn't even know what is meme. He's not on any social platform. You mean that Cillian Murphy, who is Oppenheimer? His name is Cillian Murphy, right? Yeah, Cillian Murphy. Oh, you mean this guy? He doesn't know it. Yeah, he seems like that kind of a guy. Very like an artistic person. Yes. Just a shout out, guys. Please join our Discord group if you are not there. People are posting some crazy things about AI and tech. So yeah, you might like it in here, in this community. Harshit, I see in my server logs you have created one image. Aditya, the chill guy is still chilling from the start of the stream. You mean me? Yes, I'm chilling. Samaynath, what is LLM? Hi, Samay. So LLM means large language model, like ChatGPT, Claude, the AI, which we call. Okay, I don't know how to fix it, guys. Aren't you feeling cold? It's very hot here. There's a fan also in this room, which is running. It's almost, what's the temperature here? Benjamin weather. See guys, it's 27 degrees and it feels like 30. So yeah, it's hot. In the day it was 34. It's pretty hot. Oh, you mean this guy? Okay. You and the chill guy in front of you. Yeah, chill guy is the other chill. Again, promotion time. Anybody who is interested to buy the chill guy can message or DM on the Needle Nest Craft on Instagram. This stream is sponsored by the Needle Nest Crafts Instagram page. I'm told to do this in these streams. Time to give away chill guy. I'll do one giveaway video, yeah, or stream. I will, but I have to find out what should be the giveaway. I'm a poor indie developer, so yeah, I'll have to find something. Anyone watched Dark series on Netflix? I'm trying to build my portfolio using its theme. Oh, wow. That's very interesting. Do you have children, bro? No, Vishnu, not yet. Vivek, little confusion. Is it good to attract clients? What? What do you mean by attract clients? Do you want to like put some perfume and all? Sorry for the joke, but yeah, it was right there. The setup was there. I was hoping to finish today this stream like 30 minutes or 45 minutes, but it's almost now 1.5 hours. And yeah. Okay, Vivek, so you say freelance client. As people don't understand design, they want normal site. Again, people don't understand design. You mean you're trying to give them good design, but they just want a normal site? And I still don't understand what attract means. Like, do you want to give them this option of, hey, your site can look so good, why are you looking for this normal site? Look at my fancy design site. By the way, Shivanshu, we are missing your reels, man. It's been 2 days. No reel. What's it, bro? Vivek, bro, a question. Apart from AI apps, which app do you think is crazy? For me, it's Google Map because it has algorithm, visuals, and also a cause in it. That's a good question, Vivek. And yeah, like Google Maps solves a real world problem, guys. Like if it's not there. So what I feel is there are apps which are very like high utility apps, and then there are apps which are luxury apps. So for example, ChatGPT or all these AI apps, these are luxury apps at this point. If you remove them from our life, it will make life a little bit hard, but not that hard. Compared to maps, like if you remove it, people will be lost somewhere, and they will have to like talk to people, find their ways. There are situations, very critical situations, when these kind of apps really help. So yeah, can't even compare. So for me, what is that app? It's a good question. I don't know. Maps, maybe. Yeah, maps I use a lot. Yes, correct. Yeah, Vivek, one advice for when you're working with freelance clients is they are always right, and you can give them suggestion. So one thing which I learned recently is we went to this. Okay, this is a very good. Okay, listen. So we went to this place, which is an Italian place, and we asked them for pizza. Generally, whenever I go to a new restaurant, I ask them, "Hey, what do you suggest?" So this place is a very authentic Italian place and run by an Italian person. And Italians are generally very finicky about their food. Like they are very strict or not very jolly people. So I asked him, what would you suggest? So the lady said, I cannot suggest you, but I can guide you. And this was like, I thought like I'm stealing this quote now. Like whenever someone asks me, suggest me, I would say I'm not suggesting you, I can guide you, because suggestion comes from your own interest, or what I like could be like, for example, these movies, right? We all are suggesting to others, but maybe the other person might not be interested in that kind of movie. So you can guide them. So guiding comes with question and answer. You will ask me something, I'll ask you something. Then, okay, you can say, you can do this, you can do this. Similarly, when you're talking to these freelance clients, you can guide them what they want, instead of you showing them, hey, what you are doing is normal, what I'm showing you is a better design. Because if they want the normal thing, it's rude for you to say no, that's normal, because for them they just want that. So it's okay. So just guide them, but don't suggest them, but don't even like force your opinions on them. My advice, just 1 cent, 2 cents maybe. Kushal, hello Divyanshu, I'm working on one SaaS for learning purpose. Would love your feedback on that. Yeah, Kushal, 100%. I loved your front end portfolio yesterday. Would be happy to see your SaaS as well. You can post on the like group if you are there on Discord. Vivek, basically, as I'm a front end dev, portfolio should be design heavy, creative. Yeah, Vivek, completely. I agree. As an engineer myself, I agree with you. But maybe clients don't. They just want a very different design. You should see like how Japan, like have you seen any Japanese company's website? They are crazy. Like you will like the designer in me sometimes vomits looking at those kind of flashy designs, but it's a thing in their culture. They want to show like very poppy, very like use as much real estate as possible. That kind of designs they like. Yeah. Hind Army, I want a suggestion. The code for my extension is publicly available, but I'm worried that someone might copy it and take credit for it. Hind, again, if you are worried, you can remove it, but my advice would be don't worry that much. Like there is so much code out there that people have built these ChatGPTs and trained LLMs out of them now, which can code anything for you. Your code is not the problem which people would take credit for. It's okay. Like talk about your project and don't worry about like people will steal your code. It's a thing, guys. Like sometimes people do, like I have seen some stuff, even I have done that. I was scared to share my ideas when I just passed out from my college. I thought like my idea is so special that people will steal it. There is still like there are companies who go into these stealth mode that they are building something crazy. I have never seen anyone who's out there who built it first and was has a like first market advantage. Technically, it's all depends on the execution. Like if you have a great idea but you cannot execute, it will not work. No matter how good your idea is. Ideas are sold at the price of a peanut. So yeah, that's what I have learned so far. Ideas mean nothing. Even these codes nowadays means nothing. It's just the execution, how well you're solving that specific problem. And problem solving is not just coding. It's a mix of 20 other things. Don't tell Zomato. You mean the suggestion thing? Yeah, they do suggest a lot. I want them to guide me what I want. Do you guys also do that? Like sometimes just if I'm hungry, I just open Zomato or Swiggy. I just keep scrolling. I don't even know what I want, but I just keep scrolling. Maybe something will excite me. And yeah, I go into that analysis paralysis where I can't choose anything after that. Why there are two Viveks here in chat. Vivek Chavan and Vivek Pai. Understood. Thanks. You're welcome in. Oops. Nice. We have 13 people. Guys, one request. If you can just like the stream, I think that way it reaches to a lot of more people. Just hit the like button if you're liking it. Let's try that experiment. Anyway, we are like closing in 15 minutes. News: OpenAI GPT-5 is coming soon. I think O3 is coming soon. Sam Altman tweeted about it today, and he also said that it's not that good as O1 Pro. O1 Pro will still beat it, but it's fast and better than O1, the normal O1, and it's fast. I am senior Vivek, I guess. Dipinder, we wait for free cash and Zapto. Is this some other chat which is happening which I don't know about? Nice channel, buddy. All happy. Welcome to the stream, all happy. Thank you. And I would love to know, how did you find out about this channel? Sagar Kun is still building it. And I have shared this stream with some of my non-tech friends also. Thank you, and thank you. Yeah, they will not be very happy with you once they join these streams. Still building it. Sagar, what are you asking? Still building it? I'm building, like, I'm fixing a bug. I was fixing a bug now. It's been 20 minutes. I'm just chatting. Israr Khan, I'm back. I'm back. This reminds me of that Arnold's GIF. Welcome back, Israr. Vishnu, GPT-5 will be combining with O3. That's what I heard. I don't know more about it. Oh, maybe. I saw the tweet by Sam Altman himself. He was talking on a thread with a lot of people. So they were asking him, like, is it better than O1 Pro? Then he said, no, it's O3 will be faster than O1, and better, but not as good as O1 Pro. O1 Pro is like $200 a month, guys. So yeah, obviously. Sagar, could review my idea. Sure, Sagar. And again, a shameless plug, which Nightbot is also doing. You can join our Discord community where we all share what we are building on and our ideas. So it's a good place to hang out and share ideas as well to get good reviews, because these streams, they only happen for 2 hours. Maybe too much selling I'm doing here. Sorry. Dipender Bhola, you said when you are hungry, you scroll randomly. Oh, okay, we wait for free cash in Zep. Oh, I got your joke now. Okay, nice. Israr, क्या चल रहा है? Nothing, Israr. Today I am fixing a bug. I have told this story like 2 times now. So there was this issue on one of my very old product where someone bought it last night and he emailed me that he cannot train his images. So yeah, I found out it's because the cloud function is timing out after 5 minutes, which is max limit. So I'm trying to reduce the execution time. That's what I was trying to do the whole Saturday. That's why my whole Saturday is like effed up. Vivek, what's your main purpose out of these streams? Vivek, so main purpose, to be honest, very honest, is just one thing. Was I wanted to sit on this chair for 2 hours. And if I don't do these live streams, I would be doing work for 15 minutes, then going out. And if you go out in this hours, you don't come back to your desk. So I wanted to make this a habit of sitting here for 2 hours. And I thought, let's take a challenge of 7-8 days that I'll sit here. So yeah, majorly sitting on the table and training my brain that there is no other way except for these 2 screens and this chair. The benefit, everything else is just a benefit. Like a little bit of work, a little bit of chatting, a little bit of content which is being pushing out on my channel. There are few subscribers coming in. There are like views, likes. All of that is like a cherry on top. Why your stream is good is because you talk to us. Most streams just do their work. Thank you, Vishnu. I love to like chat, man. Vivek, sharing experience. Vivek, to be honest, I have this imposter syndrome a lot. I don't think if my experience is nice, I could share it if it's helped someone, but I don't like to share my experience. Like, oh, listen to me, guys, I can tell you this. No, I can't. I can just tell you, if you have any problem, I can just share my story, what I learned from that. And if you agree with it, you can say yes. If you don't, you can give me your opinion and I would be happy to listen that. Yeah, Vivek, I think, yeah, that's what I told. Wanted to ask this question, beaches or mountains? I'm both, man. I was born in mountains and now I'm living near the beaches. So I love both. But so my thing is, I have lived so close to the mountains all over like the whole year. The thing is, mountains are good on certain months only. And otherwise, if you go to the mountains, you have to go very high above the altitude where this fog is not there. Otherwise, when I go to, like, I live in Haldwani, I go to Nainital or any place which is like 100 kilometers away from my house, it's always very foggy, so you don't enjoy those views most of the months. There are good months. There are months like I think October, November, December, even November, December, you get this snowy season, so very cloudy. March, April. So I think 4 months in a year are good in mountains where it's very crisp and clean and very like beautiful time. Similarly, near the beaches, it's mostly good 6 months or 7 months. So where you can see the sunsets, you can enjoy. Otherwise, it's just raining. Like in Goa, it rains for 4 months. So yeah, it's a mix of both. Israr, we reached 3.93. Yeah, Israr, I am taking a look at it and I'm so happy. Like we will soon cross like 4K. Why are we so fucking alike? I too have imposter syndrome. We all do, Israr. I have noticed like whenever I talk to all of my friends, like all of us like has this imposter. So imposter syndrome, actually, I was just reading about it. It's a psychology. Imposter syndrome, it gets you when you are open to learn. Like whenever you are open to learn, you know there is so much to learn that you never feel okay at any state. So that's why you feel maybe people know more than me. And this is why, this is the reason. Like people who keep on learning, they know there is so much to learn. They will never be able to be better than others. So they always have this imposter syndrome. This is what I have learned. And I always have this. Vivek, true bro, you talk to us. It's same reason I too watch the streams. Thank you, Vivek. I thought I blabber, and it's a good feedback I'm getting here that my talking is not annoying and it's helping you guys. Share your work experience outside India. What kind of work experience? Like I have worked for like multiple companies outside India. So mostly, I think, to be honest, like I have worked 70% of the companies I worked with are outside India, 30% in India. Bro, it's so cold here. I've got the heater on. Maybe I should move to go. Amit. Yeah, Amit. I don't like cold, to be honest. Yeah, that's one of the reason I'm in Go. And how frequently you go to the beaches in Goa? Today I'm just coming like at 7:30. I came after a run in a beach nearby. So I was running. I ran like 5K because I didn't go to the gym in the morning. So yeah, I always go to the beach whenever, like at 5, my body is like, bro, just go to the beach, just watch a sunset. That's the thing. And I want to like watch as many sunsets as possible as long as I'm in Goa. So yeah, almost every day I go to the beach. Almost every day. Okay, we have 8 minutes now. Vishnu, dude, I love cold. I love winter season. Hate summer. Hate, bro. In Kerala, summer, you break an egg on road, it will become bully. Vishnu, you're from Kerala, right? So yeah, that's why you love cold, because it's not cold. It's like in Goa, it's Goan people call it cold. For me, it's like hot. It's like perfect hot season. And the people here calling cold as brutal is when you have to wear like multiple jackets. You have to wear those like hot pants. You have to have a heater on, and you are still like feeling cold, and you cannot go outside because it's so cold. You get fog. It's crazy, like the cold which North has. So yeah, that's why you like you like cold. In that sense, I love cold. I love this time of like December, November, December, January, Feb in Goa, because this is the best time, like temperature wise. After that, it starts to become a little bit hot, and then it rains for 4 months. And this time I have to plan something, guys. Like I don't want to be here in Goa when the rain starts. You enjoy the first week, and after that, there is no going back. The rain just clouds, you cannot even see the sun, you get depressed. Yeah, I love that type of cold. Summer. Oh, you love that type of cold as well? Wow. Summer heat, my dress will be wet all the time, full sweating. Yeah, even in like, yeah, I can understand. Heat. Yeah, if I think about it, summer season, like extreme summer, is worse. But it's good if you are sitting in your room in an air conditioned room. No, man, cold is still worse. You cannot go outside without wearing those 100 things. Amit, is a good idea to head to Goa for a while, like a few months. Yeah, I was is a good idea to head to Goa. So yeah, I was just thinking about it. I've been to Goa, like I moved here last year, but I have been here like for my 3 or 4 New Years I have spent in Goa. So that's that much how I love spending time in this time of the year here. So yeah, I think it's a good idea. Vivek, married, can skip these question. Chat is different today, so I will also. Yes, Vivek, I'm married. I have like mentioned it a couple of times, and if you might have seen my videos, there is some what you call that? What's the cameo roles of my wife as well sometimes. Israr, I'm planning to travel next month, thinking about Nainital, Shimla, Darjeeling, Rishikesh. Suggest me. I have never been to a very cold place, so I'm looking for moderate cold. Suggest me, where should I go? Cool. So Israr, very happy to answer this. Even if Shivanshu is here, who is a travel vlogger, he posts like crazy mountain pics, so he can also give suggestion here. So Darjeeling, I have never been. Rishikesh, I love Rishikesh just because of that whole vibe around that place. And Nainital, like it's kind of my home. And Shimla, I have never been. Like I've been to close to Shimla, but never been to exact Shimla. So yeah, I can only suggest you, like if you want a mild cold, I mean, there is no mild cold. Even Rishikesh at nights, it will be very less, like 8 to 10 degrees. Let's see what's the temperature in Rishikesh. And Rishikesh is not like mountain. It's like what's the weather? Rishikesh weather. 2010. So it's like this. And Nainital. Yeah, Nainital, it's like 1911. So almost similar. Like if you think about it, the whole belt, that region has the similar kind of weather. If you go above Nainital, like if you go to Almora or other places, hilly areas, it will become very cold. Like Almora, I guess it would be less than 10, less than 5. Yeah, 518. So it becomes very cold here. So I would suggest, yeah, if you, again, you have to choose between the Himachal range, Himachal Pradesh, or Uttarakhand, like completely two different mountain places, and complete like a little bit of a different kind of a vibe both in both the places. Yeah, I can suggest go to Nainital. It's a good time. It recently snowed as well. I hope you will like it, and do share your updates on the channel when you go there. Yeah, Shivanshu is suggesting Bhimtal, Nainital, Corbett. Yeah, Bhimtal is also very nice. It's very close. Like Nainital, Bhimtal are like 30 minutes from each other. And Corbett National Park is there. If you can get this safari deal, it's amazing experience. I don't know if it's open in this season. Shivanshu, if you can update on that. So you can see like lion and all, and you can do a jungle safari. Vishnu, we are like planning a trip to Goa next month from college. Awesome, Vishnu. Wow, crazy guys. At a time we have like 13-15 users, but 46 votes here. Wow. And ChatGPT is clearly the winner. But still, I was surprised to see 7% of DeepSeek here. So people are liking DeepSeek. I would like to talk to these people who are liking DeepSeek, because I am into this rabbit hole of exploring DeepSeek. Shivanshu is sunny. It's open till March, I think. Cool. Yeah, it's sunny. Today my brother was sending me pictures, Shivanshu, and it was very beautiful weather today. But it gets cloudy, sunny the whole season. And I think now it starts to get better from Feb and January and Feb, March. It's a very good time. Vivek, what is DeepSeek, bro? I heard this first time. Okay, so Vivek, DeepSeek is a LLM like ChatGPT and Claude, but trained by Chinese companies, and it's an open source model. That's the benefit of it, and it's out competing currently like the best models out there, like Claude Sonnet 3.5 and even this GPT 4.0. So it's working out competing, and it's open source, so that's why it's gaining a lot of popularity. And I am also like testing it out. Today I was like mostly working with it in another project, and it's giving me really good answers. So I started paying for it, and I will also make a video about it. Like I am using it in a VS Code extension, if you know about this Klein thing. So I have the Klein extension, I have integrated with DeepSeek. So yeah, this will be one experiment which I want to run, and maybe we'll do it next week. Israr, if I am solo traveling, is Nainital a good option? Yeah, it is. Like one of my friend who came solo, he went to. So what you can do is, if you're coming solo, you rent a bike from Haldwani, and from till Kathgodam, which is like Haldwani, you get a train from Delhi, and then you can rent a bike and then explore in bike. If you are solo, you'll enjoy if you ride a bike, yeah, you will enjoy that whole mountain solo trip. China, so now they want it. Yeah, that's why, like, don't use it with your personal data. Be very skeptical. But yeah, coding and all, give it like some bugs to tackle with. Chinese will be happy, but it's open source, so yeah. But I was watching some video, someone mentioned that this model is so heavy it cannot run on any normal like these GPU providers servers, so it needs to be run on DeepSeek server, which is their own server. So it's running in Chinese server even if it's open source. So yeah, Chinese being Chinese. I'm sorry if I'm offending any Chinese people. We have 9 people. I don't think anyone of us is Chinese. Okay, let's try it last time. Alexander, hello there, coders. Hey, Alexander, welcome to the stream. I'm just about to leave. How is your Saturday going on? Okay, let's see if it works this time. Alexander, my day was great. How about you? Yeah, Alexander, so yeah, that's nice. But my day was not that great, to be honest. Like, I've been sitting here trying to fix this bug from today. Like, I spent 2-3 hours in the morning, and now in this stream 2 hours almost. But yeah, still I see no progress in this. So yeah, not that good day, but can't complain. Israr, is it easy to get WhatsApp API? I'm thinking to build an AI powered WhatsApp diary, you mean? Yeah, a WhatsApp API is pretty easy. It's just that initially you get a new, like a completely new number. You cannot use your personal phone number. You need a number, and then you have to link it. Then you need to get it approved from Facebook team, from their dashboard. It takes some time. You have to tell them what you're building, and yeah, then it works. Okay, so meanwhile, let me just shameless plug of one of the bot which I use, and I have like couple of like users who are using it daily to be healthy. So this is a calories tracker. So if you message it on WhatsApp, it will, you can tell him like what you ate, and it will track the whole day for what, like how much protein you need and how much fats, carbs and fiber. Currently it's free. So yeah, if anybody is interested, go to calories.in and can use this bot. Another bot is this AI shot, which can make your photos, like you can upload few selfies, AI will train it and generate an image. Don't use it now. It's paid because I'm currently fixing one bug in it. If it gets fixed, yeah, it will start generating images again. So this is the bug which I'm working on. So I'll need WhatsApp business account. No, you can just have a normal, like a phone number, and then just link it on the WhatsApp dashboard, Facebook dashboard. They will take like care of the rest. Vivek, daily get tired sitting too long coding. How to deal with that after working 10 to 6 remotely? Don't know how people work on side projects at night till 2 p.m. Yeah, Vivek, like we, yeah, just take like breaks in between. Don't just keep sitting. And what works for me is doing some like workouts. It helped me a lot, like some back exercise, legs exercise, and just generally taking care of the core muscles. That's like 30-45 minutes daily. If you put into it, sitting and all, it will not have that bad effect, because I have been there, like sitting and all. I used to have a very bad back ache, and also still I have like this shoulder pain which I'm dealing with. But yeah, the physiotherapist also told me just do a lot of back exercise, train that muscle. And yeah, what did you use to make the calories bot? Alexander, it was a Node.js server which it's working with, and when you send a message, it's linked to like WhatsApp server. So WhatsApp sends me a webhook, then my server takes care of it. My server sends message to WhatsApp, and WhatsApp sends the message to you. That's how it's working. Israr, oh yes, I saw this project. That's why I'm asking you about the API. Okay. Yeah, it's not that hard, Israr. Yeah, you can try. 21st Dev has really good elements for building a website. Check it out. Yes, Vishnu, I did share it in like previous streams 2-3 days before when I found out about it. Very interesting project. I'm stealing some components for my landing page of my app, which I'm working on. Okay, so let me just show you guys what I'm looking at. It's so stupid. So downloading image is finished. Image 6 is started. Then image, what? Finished for 5, started for 7, finished for 4, started for 8, finished for 6. But after this, nothing is coming. So that means the server, like Cloud Function execution, stopped at this point, and now it's not working again. Where you host your SaaS, how you manage cost. Vivek, it depends. Like servers, usually I host on like these Cloud Functions, and I have like a Hetzner VPS where some of my services are hosted. I have also hosted on Vercel, and all the landing pages and everything Next.js which I'm building with, these are on Vercel. But I don't have many SaaS. Like these are very small bots which I have built. Otherwise, the major project is the AutoAI Reels, which is a mobile app. For that, the server is in Firebase Cloud Functions. Okay, guys, I think I'm pretty late already. It's been 10:40 and I have to watch the movie Exuma now. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow then. Not tomorrow, sorry. I'll see you guys on Monday. And have a very great Sunday, guys. Let's start our next week. And would love to know what you guys are working on next week. And I'll also share what my plan is for the week ahead. Israr, I send things to myself on WhatsApp to save, and at times it gets hard to search when you're looking for something. Keep scrolling chat, so I want to build this. Anything you send gets stored. Very nice idea, Israr. I really love it. So what I generally do is I store everything on Notion, but yeah, if you send it on WhatsApp, that's also a very cool idea if it maintains the diary. Good night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. On Monday. Bye-bye.